Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to show you how I make this no tools needed glitter gradient on natural nails using only nail polishes. So I have worn this design for over a week now, so this is my 1 week growth and just how it looks after like 8 or 9 days or something. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So I am going to use a lovely rosy or like dusty rose kind of color by Essence. You can choose any color to your liking, but I just really love this nude dusty rose kind of color. I think it's very lovely and it will definitely suit a lot of skin tones. Then I'm going in with this gorgeous Holo rainbow glitter nail polish by Essence. This one is 05 Holo Fever. I'm not sure if this collection is still available, but I am sure you can still get it on Amazon or eBay if it is discontinued. So first up, you want to start off with a clean nail and go in with your favorite base coat. So I always apply a base coat to prevent any staining, but also to make sure that my manicure lasts a long time. As I have already worn this design for like 8 or 9 days, I have used this particular base coat as well, but you can use any base coat you prefer. So once your base coat is fully dry, you want to go in with 2 layers of the color of your choice. As I said, I'm going in with this lovely dusty rose color. It is really nude, but gives a little bit of warmth to the nail, which I really like. And yeah, I just think it's a lovely color. It is almost completely opaque in just 1 layer as well, so that is a big plus. So if you do pick out a color which is completely opaque in 1 layer, good for you, because you have less time. You have to wait till it's completely dry. So when that first layer is completely dry, of course you can always work with thin coats to make sure that you don't have to wait that long for your polish to be completely dry. You want to go in with your second one. Of course, you can choose to cap off the edge with the first coat or with the second coat, or even both. I usually do for the first coat, and I get rid of any excess that may come onto the skin or cuticle area before it is completely dry. You can also use a cleanup brush or anything like that, but if you don't have any tools, you could easily use your finger or your fingernail. Then it is time for the most gorgeous holographic glitter polish ever. This is kind of like a purpley kind of holographic glitter, and you want to make sure that you get rid of most of the glitter off of the brush, because we are going to apply the gradient or fade effect. I touch the nail very lightly to make sure there isn't like a ton of glitter on there, and I go from the tip towards half of the nail, more towards the cuticle area. So you just want to cover half of the nail really sparsely, because this is what's going to give the most perfect like gradient effect. After that, you don't have to wait for it to be completely dry. It is a glitter polish, so it dries super fast already. You want to take more product, so more glitter on your brush, and focus that towards the tip area. So I would say like a quarter of the nail is supposed to be fully packed with gorgeous opaqueness of holographic glitter. What I like to do is just to tap on the tip of the nail to make sure that all of the glitter that hangs off of the edge of the nail is actually pressed onto the nail. That way you don't have like any sharp edges or just glitter poking out. And yeah, that is like already everything you need to do, apart from a top coat, of course, which I am going to apply once the glitter is fully dried. I waited for about 5 minutes to go in with my top coat. You do want to make sure you pretty much lather it on. Of course, you don't want it like dripping off of the nail, but make sure you have enough top coat to cover all of those glitters, and really make sure every single little particle of glitter is covered. And again, cap off the edge to give it a fully perfect finish. So yeah, that was already the shortest tutorial I have ever done, in my opinion. I'm just going to show you one nail because I had already done the other 4. Once again, this design will stay put onto your nails for at least a week if you do cover it all up with a nice layer of top coat, and glitter polishes do last a really long time anyway. So yeah, I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, you can always let me know in the comments down below. Of course, you can always use tools if you want to use a brush to apply the glitter or anything like that, but I really wanted to make this one without tools, so no tools are needed apart from nail polishes and your hands. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.